curtain rises on a new star, the new Holden. Fashion-setting beauty to thrill the eye, new finer performance and surging power. There's a wonderful new look to Holden, both inside and out, with sparkling new colors in either single or two-tone, each perfectly color-matched to the glamorous new interior styling. What a beauty she is! New, breathtaking styling, longer, lower, with sweeping new lines to safeguard your investment with a promise of high resale value for years to come. A new experience in safety and comfort. Wait till you try the new ball-type steering. So accurate, so easy, so smooth. A tremendous asset on winding roads and city traffic and for parking. There's a decorative instrument panel and spacious lock-up glove box. A new one-piece curving windscreen. And the new Holden's longer 105-inch wheelbase means even more room for you and your family. And new insulation means quieter driving. Headlining is easy-to-clean plastic. Foam-padded seats are 3 inches wider, and the upholstery is in new colors, new designs. A new anti-theft device guards the doors and windows. There are new pendant brake and clutch pedals to give a clear floor. The new clutch is hydraulically assisted. Look at the broad wraparound window and the new tail lamp assembly. The longer, wider, flatter trunk holds all your luggage, plus the spare tire. New hooded headlamps, new grille, new flatter bonnet, and its brilliant new beauty is matched by its road performance. Look at the new Holden from any angle, and you'll see things to win your admiration. Drive the new Holden, and you'll find more. It brings you 70 brake horsepower, a new higher compression ratio of 6.8 to 1. You'll be proud of your new Holden. You'll marvel at its comfort and its ease of handling. The new Holden is the car for you. It is now more than ever Australia's finest value and is still the only car designed and built for Australian conditions. Australia's own car, Australia's finest value.